Let us now return to the course catalog in the advanced search function. Be sure that you are searching for your first semester at Elon as always. You're going to select the term and pick Fall 2024. But this time we are going to search by course type. This is going to allow you to search by areas of the studies in the arts and sciences called expression, civilization, society, and science. By clicking on Select Course Type, a pop-up will appear allowing you to select which of these areas. Notice there are a lot of options on the list, so we are specifically looking at those areas of the studies in the arts and sciences. You will use this in the future for planning certain parts of majors and minors. Let's search for civilization classes this time around. We now have a good search result, and when we look at Fall 2024, we notice there are 144 results. We may want to narrow that down. So a few ways you can do so. First, search by open sections only. Closed sections do you no good right now, so we want to only look for classes you can actually get into. You can also search by the different subjects. Sometimes it may just be the list of 5 that are shown, but other times there may be quite a few more that you want to go through. You may also realize that you've planned too many classes for certain days of the week and not enough in others. You can search by specific days of the week to add balance to your schedule. You can also add personal balance by selecting times for the start of class and times for the end of class, as might be relevant for you as an individual. The last thing you can do is search by course levels. We encourage students to take 1,000 and 2,000 level classes in their first semester. 3,000 level classes, you should consult with an advisor. By and large, these are going to be exclusive to world language classes based on that world language assessment you would have already taken. So now that we've narrowed down our options, we have found a class, as it just so happens, at the top of the list that seems interesting, Concepts in American Studies. So let's go about adding that class. So I click on Add, and I read the course description, I see more information about the class, and I'm still sold on this class, I'm still interested. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit Add Section. Before we move on and look at our schedule view again, let's talk about a couple of restrictions. It is possible that you might notice some restrictions on certain courses. In this case, on the course on the left for this economics class, it's for business fellows only. Students who have been admitted to that program are eligible for this class, but no other students may take this class. The course on the right is also for an economics section, and it's open to only students in their first semester at Elon, first semester of college. So that would be for our class of 2028 students. So incoming transfer students, unfortunately, are not eligible for these classes and would need to find classes without these restrictions. Class of 2028 students not pursuing business fellows would want to look for sections that have no restrictions or that say for first year only. This is not going to be for every class, but we did want to make sure students are aware that there are sometimes restrictions that will keep them out of a course. Now that we've gone through the restrictions, we can note that the student has planned quite a few classes. Some of them are already on their schedule. As a reminder, Core 1100 will be a class, or English 1100, that has already been pre-registered for the student, as well as Elon 1010. The other thing we wanted to note is this student has already planned 21 semester hours. 12 to 18 is the typical first semester. There's nothing wrong with having 21 semester hours planned. You always want to over-plan because you want to learn how backups or class conflicts are going to impact you. So we often recommend that you have somewhere between 10 and 12 course options to go along with your core or English requirement and Elon 1010. So again, you're going to want to plan 10 to 12 classes. So this student actually has a little more work to do with some planning. So let's go to our next step about how we can look for specific sections using the schedule view.